Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your 1xBet account is verified and you're signed in. Open your phone and launch Google Authenticator. Make sure camera permission is granted so you can scan QR codes. In 1xBet, go to Account right arrow Security right arrow two-factor authentication to start linking. Once done, choose the option to use an Authenticator app. You'll see a QR code and a textual secret. This is the next thing you'll capture. Now scan the 1xBet QR code with Google Authenticator. The app will immediately generate a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. If scanning fails, tap Enter a setup key and type the textual secret exactly as shown. This yields the same rotating codes. Make sure you write down or securely store the backup secret offline so you can recover access if your phone is lost. Once the code appears, you're ready to confirm on 1xBet. Finally, type the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the 1xBet confirmation field and submit. This pairs the accounts and enables two-factor protection. After success, save any recovery codes 1xBet shows. These let you log in if you lose your authenticator. If your code is rejected, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network time. Authenticator depends on accurate time. If problems persist, use your stored recovery key or contact support with account verification to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.